Namaste and welcome to yet another beautiful episode of Godrej Interior Upload and Transform Season 2. I am Tanvi and today we are in Jaipur, the pink city of India. Jaipur is one of the oldest cities of Rajasthan, home to enchanting forts, monuments and a house for art, culture and tradition. Jaipur is a major tourist attraction and it's a perfect blend of modern lifestyle with the old world charm. The Godrej Interior Upload and Transform team is in Jaipur to transform the home of Mr. Rajiv Patodi. Mr. Patodi hails from Jaipur and is a chartered accountant by profession. When he is not working, he loves to spend time with his wife and two beautiful daughters. So what did he do to win? He just clicked and uploaded the images of the space he wanted us to transform. Hello. Mr. Rajiv Patadi, I am Tanvi from the Godrej Interior team and I have arrived with a team of experts to transform your space.
Oh, really?
Yes, you are the lucky winner from Jaipur.
Great, that's really great.
Let's check the
please
space. You're really passionate about your house.
come. Yeah, actually, I'm emotionally attached to this house. She's my wife.
Hello.
Hi.
So, why this space for the transformation?
एक्चुअली यूथ में नहीं आ रहा था इतने दिन, तो कुछ इसका यूटिलाइजेशन हो जाए तो कॉकरी अलमीरा प्लस डाइनिंग एरिया, तो डाइनिंग लग जाए ऐसा कुछ.
एक्चुअली बहुत खाली स्पेस था, सो वी थॉट कि कुछ ऐसा हो जाए कि मॉडर्न लुक भी आ जाए और डाइनिंग स्पेस भी हो जाए.
अगर ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करते हो आप.
Yes, we actually spend valuable time this place only, so we selected this area.
And how about the colors? आपको कैसा चाहिए?
थोड़ा मॉडर्न लुक चाहिए और एक्चुअली मेरा था कि लाइट कलर से मुझे पसंद है और लेकिन बच्चे हैं तो बट मुझे फर्नीचर में डार्क कलर और वॉल्स पे लाइट कलर ही पसंद है.
Right. Godrej Interior always has solutions. And I think it's time to call our expert Nazmi. So you heard what Mr. and Mrs. Patodi are expecting. Okay, now coming to the paint.
Yeah.
Both of them prefer light colors.
Yeah.
But having small kids around, you know, the scribbling happening.
Yeah, you can see it all around.
Yeah, so what is the solution to that?
Yeah, so looking at like the fact that there are kids and she wants light colors, the only solution we can give is washable paints. It's child friendly, they can scribble as much as they want and then.
Okay, and in terms of furniture, they like dark furniture and so what have you thought of? Like, what are you going to
So
give
looking
them?
at a few options from the range that we have and very soon I'll have a finalized one.
And I'm sure you're gonna give your best and it's going to rock. So, 48 hours begin. Hey Razmeen!
Hi Tanvi.
Hi, I saw some more furniture coming
Right,
in. So
yeah.
what is it, the dining table?
So yeah, the dining table is right now here. So we decided what to give them. We're giving a Modestana dining set. It's a 4-seater, perfect for the family,
Perfect.
for the small
Right.
space. Right. And another big requirement is the crockery, if you remember.
right.
So she can store her crockery in this. We're giving her shelves out here. So then, you know, the whole set out here is for her crockery storage.
Ah,
Yeah.
nice. I love the paint. It's looking like really nice.
It's light, it's the look that she wanted. It's also washable, so the kid is sure.
Lovely, yeah. So the assembling is gonna start now?
Yeah, almost the chairs are done, the console table is done. Now the dining table will start.
I'm really looking forward to the whole change. As always, the Godrej Interior experts are in top gear, working around the clock. The 48 hours are over. तो क्या लग रहा है? How is it going to be?
काफी देर से इंतजार कर रहे हैं. लगता है कि कुछ अच्छा दिखने वाला है. We are so excited कि क्या होने वाला है.
48 hours में क्या क्या हो सकता है, क्या नहीं हो सकता है, ये already आपने सोच के रखा है.
आउटपुट क्या आने वाला है.
The wait is definitely going to be worth it. So I hand over your house.
Wow,
Awesome, awesome.
I can't believe it. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सब कुछ.
कलर से मैच कर रहा है ना फर्नीचर से.
So how did you like your space?
मुझे तो कुछ शब्द ही नहीं मिल रहे हैं कि मैं क्या बोलूँ. मतलब I can't say anything. It's beautiful.
दीपावली का तोहफा हमको मिल भी नहीं सकता।
ये तो हम चाहते हैं, we are so happy we could gift you something like this. लेकिन आपको जो चाहिए था, you got it, the light walls and the dark furniture.
चाहिए तो
हाँ वही एग्जैक्टली हमें वही जो चाहिए था, डाइनिंग
ये पूरा यूटिलाइज हो गया।
पूरा स्पेस आपने यूटिलाइज
ऐसा
किया
ऐसा
है।
लग रहा है कि वहाँ से ज़्यादा यहाँ टाइम
Mrs. Paturi thought it was a beautiful Diwali gifted by the Godrej interior team of experts. But the most priceless thing that we spotted was a beautiful smile on the youngest daughter's face.
मेरे पास कुछ बोलने के लिए कुछ शब्द ही नहीं है। ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कोई फिल्मों में जैसा देखा था वैसा हमारे घर में आ गया है। ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे ये मेरा घर ही नहीं है। थैंक यू गोदरेज इंटीरियर फॉर ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग माय हाउस।
So this is how we transform the Paturi family's home and lives. If you wish us to do the same with you, watch this space. This is Tanvi signing off. See you next time.